All right, see where we at. Independent Motorsports. Got a 2023 CBR600RR. Beautiful bike. Nice clean oil, low miles. Show you here, the exhaust is nice and cold. Doing a cold start video for y'all so y'all can see. There's a couple little blemishes that I noticed on this bike. See if I can pick them up on camera. They're that small right there. And also, where was it? Right here on the tail. It's the only real blemishes that I noticed. Right here as well on the side. Okay, so other than those 3 spots, I haven't really noticed anything out of the ordinary or anything that shouldn't be. Show you the miles here. It's got 7426 miles. It's in neutral. Starts right up. Aftermarket mirrors, blade mirrors.